What's up, traders? This is trader Shyam. So let's have a look on the Bitcoin. So today he picked up the 4-hour time frame, and here it is very clear. With our previous analysis, we have been discussing over this bullish trend, right? So I have picked up this bullish trend. So I said that once the price confirms a bearish breakout, we will see a market dump or a market failure to the downside. So as long as the price confirmed the bearish breakout, and also we have seen a fake breakout which has taken up on the Bitcoin. So here we see the breakout has not or didn't bring up the required volume or the market pressure that as expected to happen on the Bitcoin, right? So here we see only a 2 to 3% dump to the downside. So with the breakout, we are just seeing a market consolidation or a sideways market, right? So the price has created a consolidation or a sideways market, but once I connect these lows and the highs that which the price has already created with the Bitcoin, this creates or identifies that the price is playing inside a symmetrical triangle, right? So this is a symmetrical triangle. So once we connect these lows and the highs perfectly inside a triangular pattern, so this is what the structure will provide you guys. So here we have to confirm the price whether it will show up a breakout over this upper boundary or the lower boundary. So for the moment, we have to confirm the price to show up a breakout, whether to identify, in order to identify a direction that which the price of Bitcoin will take in the near future. So once the price confirms a bearish breakout over this structure, then we have a chance of seeing a downward shift, and also we have another possibilities of seeing a bullish breakout as well. So here we have a chance of seeing a bullish breakout over the upper boundary, then we will see a bullish momentum to the upside. But based on the following structure, here we have to keep close watch over this following resistance or the supply zone as well. So if you have watched my previous analysis, you would know that I have said that this market structure or the supply zone or the resistance zone identified close to 44k is significant and very strong. With the price action that we have seen earlier, it has brought the price to dump, and also which caused a massive sell-off to the downside. So we have seen even when the price shows up a huge bullish momentum to the upside, breaking above this resistance level, the market has got dumped massively to the downside. So we have seen that which the sellers are remaining very strong over this level. So we are seeing that 44k on the Bitcoin is a major sell zone. So once the price confirms a bullish breakout, we are going to meet back above this 44k, so which is probably the major sell zone. So also I believe that we also have a chance of seeing a fake breakout to the upside, so which has a potential of seeing a market dump to the downside once price visits back to the following resistance level. So we have a chance of seeing a structural breakout on the Bitcoin like this. So for the moment, the Bitcoin has a chance of creating a bullish breakout to the upside, and then once the price meets this level, we have a chance of seeing a bearish break or a bearish reversal, right? So we have the evidence that this 44k resistance level is holding up a huge or massive selling pressure. As long as that is being valid, we have a chance of seeing a fake breakout and also a massive sell off or a bearish reversal to happen once the price meets or visits this level once again, right? So this is one scenario that I'm expecting to see on the Bitcoin, but we have two possibilities always on the market. So by any chance, if the price creates a bearish breakout to the downside, then we have a chance of seeing a continuation to the downside, right? So we was expecting the Bitcoin to create a downward shift based on the structural breakout on the bullish channel, and also once the price confirms a bearish breakout on this following lower boundary, then that will validate the idea of bearish scenario, right? So once the price confirms a bearish breakout, then we have a chance of seeing another revisit back towards the following major demand zone identified. So I have mentioned about this demand zone and also the support identified here very clearly on my previous analysis. So I recommend you guys to watch that as well. So here I believe that once the price confirms a bearish breakout to the downside, we have a chance to see a market downward shift to the downside, which will probably going to meet back or visit back to the following 40k support, right? So these are the two possibilities that I'm expecting to see on the Bitcoin. So for the moment, you should keep an eye close to this level. By any chance, if the price creates a bullish breakout to the upside, then we have a chance of seeing a market failure, as I have said earlier. So as long as this supply zone on the 4-hour time frame and also the daily time frame is significant and which is very strong at the moment, so that the case, we are going to see a bearish reversal once the price visits this level on the 44k or this resistance level, right? So these are the two possibilities that I'm personally expecting. So if you are looking for continuation to the upside, then you should surely confirm or validate the price to show up a bullish breakout above this resistance level. So like not how we have seen earlier, we have to confirm a clear and a perfect bullish breakout to happen over this supply zone or the resistance level, then only we can expect a continuation to the upside. So here we have to wait for the price to ladder up or bring or penetrate through the following resistance level in order to expect a continuation to the upside. So I have seen that many analysts and also traders are predicting that the Bitcoin is about to visit back above 50k. As long as that is being discussed and concerned, we have to first confirm a bullish breakout to happen over this 44k resistance. Until then, we have no evidence of a continuation or a ladder up towards the 50k level, since we have this resistance level identified around 44k as a major sell zone. As long as we have validated confirmations of price action that we have been back tested with under 4-hour time frame. So these are the two possibilities that I can expect and I personally hold up on the Bitcoin. So for the moment, believe that the market has a higher probability of showing up a market failure or a fake out, as I have said earlier, on this following resistance level, so which is going to be a fake breakout and also a bearish reversal identified close to this resistance level, or a clear and a perfect bearish breakout to happen over this following structure or the symmetrical triangle identified. So since the market has two possibilities and where the market can show up any possible market moves, since that is being considered, we also have a chance of seeing a bullish breakout and a continuation to the upside. So I believe that this analysis is useful, and make sure to thumbs up and also subscribe to the YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.